Actress-singer Carla Estrada nagbigay ng instant concert sa gitna ng Myeongdong Street, South Korea, na ikinagulat at ikinatuwa ng maraming Koreano. Sa kanyang Instagram post, ibinahagi ni Carla ang ilang larawan at video kung saan game na game siyang kumanta sa kalye, habang pinapalibutan ng mga taong aliw na aliw at humahanga sa kanyang boses. Makikita sa video na todo enjoy si Carla habang nagpe-perform. Tila ba nasa sariling concert stage. Ayon sa kanya, jamming on the vibrant streets of Myeongdong in Korea was one of the best moments of our vacation. The energy, the music, and the crowd made it an unforgettable experience filled with joy and rhythm. Isang spontaneous at feel-good moment na nagpapatunay sa kanyang pagiging natural performer. Kahit saan, kayang pasayahin ni Carla ang mga tao. Narito at panoorin natin ang video.
Time flies away. Yesterday was the time of my life. We were born and raised on you. Summer haze bound by the sunrise of a glorified days. I hate to turn out of the blues on the body. Stay